What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to GoodVibes Van / Mile High Woodcrafts. Today is the beginning of the van build. As you can see, I've already got some done. Hopefully you can see it. But got the wall ceilings up, floor up. Got these nice wall panels. I don't know if you can see behind there or not. But we're about to seal this off. Put some insulation behind here. Put this breadboard up. It's beadboard, breadboard, whatever. Yeah. All right, welcome back. Got her all insulated. Got the windows painted from the inside because this was showing through. Look ridiculous. Try to remember to throw a little picture in there. Also in the process, I decided I would apparently bump the window and busted the whole back glass. So yeah, that happens, but what can you do? Spilled milk, small potatoes. Got this side all insulated. I know you can't hardly see behind there, but it's all insulated, sealed off. Now, time to throw up some walls. Get it all finished up. Well, get it a little further along anyways. Oh yeah, in case you didn't see the floor before. Looks pretty nice. Either way, I'm happy with it. Let's keep rolling. Just a little quick tour and update of where I'm at. Got the brandy. Got the bed in. Looking good so far. What's good, guys and gals? See, I'm working on a cabinet here, putting it in the new van. Got it all framed out in there. Got the bed done, walls up, window cut out, ceiling done. Next, oh yeah, I got this really cool thing here. Check this out. Nice hidden cubby. I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. I mean, I still got a little ways to go, but I'm trying to knock it out as fast as possible and get these videos up. Coming into the new year. So yeah, not too bad. Do a lot of cleanup work. I'm gonna build a cabinet up here, then go across the top and join right here. Just kind of like that. We always sleep with our head over that way. So over here, I'm gonna do a row of cabinets down through here. Little cubby come up the back side there. And a row of cabinets come across here and down through here in this area, because our fridge will go right over here. It's a work in progress, but I'm gonna try to keep you updated as best as possible. Between this and running the business is great, so still working out a van. There it is over there. All right, folks.